Do you remember this unfortunate occurrence that occurred in Eldoret a few months ago where people were involved in a forex scam? Do you remember that? Let me jog your memory.
Hundreds of residents of Eldoret Town in Uasin Gishu have been left helpless and counting painful investment losses, running into millions of shillings after a man who claimed to be an online trading guru blinded them by promising them quick riches. The investor, now wanted by the police, established an online trading company named Springmark Investment Limited in Eldoret Town in 2019. After enticing residents with the promise of substantial returns, the investor vanished as abruptly as he had appeared, leaving many in financial distress. With more detail is Ben Kiri.
Eldoret Town is increasingly becoming a playground for investment scams. In a recent incident, yet another group of investors has been left reeling from significant losses due to an online trading scam.
Ilikuwa nimeweka milioni 3 kwa Ambrose. Nilienda kwetu, ndugu zangu akanipea pesa zao. Mume wangu pia akanipea pesa yake. Mtoto wangu akanipea pesa yake, nikaongeza pamoja ikakuwa milioni 3. Nikaleta kwa biashara ya Ambrose. Ambrose amepotea na pesa ya wenyewe.
Truly speaking, citizens, Uasin Gishu is becoming Uasin Gishu that we know. It is full of scammers, starting with the political class.
Ambrose Ambuti Makech visited Eldoret.
So as an investor, especially if you're from Kenya, how do you avoid this kind of nonsense, to be honest? Because you've worked out to save your money. Some people literally borrow their money to invest. You know, people are just trying to have hope about the future. They're trying to beat the system. They're trying to feel smart. They're trying to, achieve their goals. But how do you protect your money in the process? One of the very many ways you need to know as an investor, especially if you're investing in Kenyan products, never invest in a company that is not licensed. Even if it's Forex, never. You need to know that every company that is legitimately investing in Kenya must have a Capital Markets Authority license. Do not invest if they don't have that. And how do you check if the company, if somebody comes to you, or an institution or an organization or somebody, a representative or an agent comes to you, they tell you, we are investors and we have this kind of return. We're going to take your money for 6 months, 1 year and give you this return. Do not invest without doing the due diligence on this person and the company they're presenting to you. So one of the ways to stay safe is you go to the CMA website. Let me show you. Let me put you in game. So the first thing you do is you head to the Capital Markets Authority website, cma.or.ke. And then you go to the investor protection sector. You're going to see licensees or market players. And once you click on it, you're getting like a drop down that's giving you the checklist. You're going to see the people who are licensed. So let's say if an investor came to the people and he was claiming that he will invest your money in Forex, what company was it? What was the name of the company? And the investor that scammed Eldoret was claiming to be a Springmark Investments Company. So when you come to CMA, you have to search for Springmark Investment Company. Okay, so if you look at the market players at the licenses section that I've told you, you can see the approved institution sector, investment banks, non-dealing online forex exchange brokers, authorized security dealers, investment advisor, the non-dealing online foreign exchange broker. And the non-dealing foreign exchange broker are the foreign exchange brokers that just give you the platform to do the exchange, but they will not do the trading for you. And the people who actually been authorized to also do the trading for you, you can see down here, they're called dealing online forex exchange broker. So this company calling itself Springmark was claiming to take their money and invest in Forex, right? Let's see if they're licensed. So that means they were a dealing company. They take your money, they trade for you. You can see the dealing online foreign exchange broker. If you click on it, if you click on it, the only list of licenses is something called Empire Forex Trade Limited. They are the only ones that have been licensed with the license number and also their website information. And also other people that can trade for you are the online forex exchange money manager, which includes the Standard Investment Bank, TradeSense, and Stopoa Enterprise Limited. Those are the only ones that have the license. 3 companies only, actually a total of 4, that can trade for you. None other company has been licensed in Kenya to trade for you. So those are some of the pitfalls you need to look out for when you are looking to invest or looking to invest your money somewhere. Somebody has come to you the investment deal. Listen, it's okay, consider it, but you also have to remember investing is a risky venture. But you know what's risk? You know what's gambling? What's risk or what's gambling is when you're taking action without information. But once you're very well informed, it ceases to be risk. It ceases to be risk, and it's just you making a smart move. Gambling ends when you're doing actions from a place of, you are informed. You've done your due diligence, you know what you're doing. Information. Yeah. So if you're just acting from lack of information and strategy, that's gambling. But when you put strategy in place and you have the right information, now that's some type of smartness coming in. Now that's investing.